Everyone, in today's video I will show you how to factory reset your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your data is backed up on your iPhone. To do it, you have to connect to a Mac or PC with your iPhone and just transfer your all data. Now let's move forward to how to factory reset your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone. Then you have to go to general, then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Just find the option called transfer or reset iPhone. Has this option, just tap onto it, then tap on erase all content and settings and tap on continue, and you have to tap on this option called erase iPhone. Enter your Apple ID password or passcode if prompted, then confirm erase and wait for the process to complete. Your iPhone will restart and show the hello screen ready for setup. And that's how you reset your iPhone 15 Pro Max or any other iPhone. So let's like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.